Now we will make the diagnostic for this 6UV1. Later we start for the machine to see the performance for this data. Okay. Okay, we see the speed. Okay, we can use the time machine at the speed. Okay. See the RPM. See the RPM. See the temperature. All the data you can see. You see the error code. Okay. You see the error code. We see the engine oil pressure. Okay, waiting air. No, no waiting air. The skip. Optical skip. Okay. Okay, maybe small. This is see the error code. This is formulary pressure. Okay. This is the injector. You want to see the injector is okay or not? Tap the injector. Use this function. Okay. This also shows the error code. You see the error code is the DTC. DTC. Okay. Back to the display. This one select the language. This one check the ECU series number by engine into the ECU inside. Okay, we stop for it. Okay.